Hi everyone, my name is Vishwas Lele and welcome to my course, Microsoft Power Platform Administration Foundation. I'm CTO at Applied Information Sciences. The Microsoft Power Platform is one of the leading high productivity, low code, no code environments with over 3 million active developers. But as they say, with great power comes great responsibility. The Microsoft Power Platform gives developers productivity superpowers, but at the same time, this great productivity benefit comes with a great responsibility to well administer your platform. This is where this course, Power Platform Administration Foundation, comes in. Some of the major topics we will cover include create and manage environments, set up Power Platform security, set up monitoring, Power Platform tuning and optimization, compliance, and licensing. By the end of this course, you will know the basics of the Microsoft Power Platform administration and be ready to manage your Power Platform environments. I hope you will join me in this journey to learn about the Power Platform with this Microsoft Power Platform Administration Foundation course at Pluralsight.